Hello everyone, today I will explain how to concatenate and merge images. Okay, so let's create some images. For that we can use image generator. We can obviously input images or import images, but let's now generate some, let's say bricks, and generate gradients, generate whatever vegetables, and generate race. Okay, so in the image combiner nodes, we now have concatenate and merge nodes. This concatenate 3 and 4 means it will concatenate 3 images or 4, also the same for the merge. So if you use concatenate 3 and concatenate these 3 images, we will create a strip. It can be a vertical and horizontal strip. Obviously these images are of the same size, so if we resize one, let's say to 350, and this one like 500, so we see like we have some additional background. We can define its color, let's say to a yellow, and if we now move it to a vertical, we can see it again. We can play with the channels, so we can scale it up to the maximum amount of channels that one of these images have, which in this case is this one. It's RGB, and these two ones are grayscale. So if we scale it down, whole image is going to be grayscale. And yeah, we have align options, so we can align everything to the top left. So if the image is actually in this case, if this image has a shorter width than the image that has the largest width, we can play with alignment. So if we align it to the top right, it's gonna move there, and we can play to the bottom left and bottom right, so we can actually move it to horizontal to see it better. Oh, actually top right. Yeah. So that's about the concatenate. We also have image combiner, which is a merge. Merge is gonna actually resize the image to always get a strip, so we don't have the background color. So if we merge these three, even though they have different sizes, we always get a strip. So we can now play also not just by scaling up the channels, we can scale up the image size. So that's like use the smallest size, smallest width for the output image, or biggest width, also the same for the smallest or the biggest height. Okay, that's about the merge and concatenate, and we have merge grid and concatenate grid. So it's similar as we explained the previous ones. Merge grid is gonna create all the images of the same size, while the concatenate grid is gonna preserve and create the background color. So let's say we combine these four in a grid, we get something like this. We can create the background color, let's say green, and yeah, we can play with alignment. Let's say put all of them to the center. Now all of them are squeezed, and yeah, if we play with their sizes, we can see this better. Also, let's put it to the top left, top right, bottom left, and bottom right. Yeah, that's pretty much the short explanation about the merge and concatenate. These ones actually have the predefined input number of images, so as we can see 3, 4 or 2, the same for the merge. So I would like to create the ones with arbitrary number of images, and that's gonna be for these ones. That's actually, they have names images instead of image. So for the image combiner, I'm just not gonna use append image and append images. I'm gonna add additionally concatenate and merge images. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you guys very much for watching, and see you next time.